In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Atome Virtual Card. So, Atome Virtual Card is actually given to you when you have applied for Atome and you have been approved. So, when you applied, they will give you instantly a virtual card so you can use it online. So, your physical card will arrive after around 10 days. So, instead, you can use your virtual card first before using your physical card. So, on this case, you can use your virtual card by linking it to actual shopping platforms like Shopee, Lazada, Amazon, and other options. You can also link it to food delivery platforms as well as other platforms that supports online payments. So I have in here this particular article that can help us. So Optome Virtual Card works with all virtual stores, which means that you can use this card to shop from multitude of online stores. You just need the stores that offer payments through MasterCard. So take note of that because Atome uses MasterCard instead of Visa. So you can use your virtual card by binding it into virtual platforms. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.